Hello all. In this video, we'll be seeing a demo on the YOLO object detection model on the Raspberry Pi. This is basically used to detect and classify the objects. So in this project, I'll be using a famous Raspberry Pi 5 project. In this project, Raspberry Pi 5, which is connected to the Raspberry Pi CAM module 3. CAM module 3, it is connected like this. So it's connected to a power supply, and so in this object detection project, I'm using a YOLO object detection model on the Raspberry Pi. So I'm using the Ultralytics YOLO family of object detection model, which offers advanced yet simple to use computer vision model capability, and they are great for deploying on edge devices like Raspberry Pi. I will also explain like how to set up the YOLO on the object detection model on the Raspberry Pi. It can detect multiple objects in images, either in the here I'm using a live camera feed. You can use the videos also. So the Ultralytics framework makes it easier to train object detection models and deploy them on edge devices like Raspberry Pi. Though the Raspberry Pi has very limited compute power, it makes it very difficult to learn large YOLO models. But smaller models can run efficiently in real time on the Pi's ARM CPU with few optimizations. Let us see the YOLO model in demo in real time on the Raspberry Pi. So basically you have to run the YOLO model and run it in NCNN format. So basically I'll be sharing a script which gives a basic example of showing how to load a model and run and inference an image source, parse it and inference the results and display boxes around each detected class in the image. This script works on either image, video file or live camera feed. Okay, let us see the demo now. So now I'm focusing the camera on the objects. See, it's detecting the truck as a truck, aeroplane as an aeroplane, like that. So I'm focusing on the other objects. You can see it's detecting other objects. Aeroplane as an aeroplane. So I'm focusing on other things. So keyboard is detected as a keyboard. Mouse as a mouse. Car as a car. Truck as a truck. So these are my objects. Monitor as a TV. So just reoriented few objects. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and be posting more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.